1.
Object. Pick a thing. Object definition. Copy tuning name. Extract tuning. Add it.
2.
Object tuning. Remove tooltip if any exists. Under focus, paste script.
Find that in the description.
3.
In name, copy number. Extract tuning. Add it. Hash generator. Make name. Copy 32. Click interaction tuning. Paste number in both label slots. Click flag. Edit items. Add. Paste. Call it something. Copy strings to all.
4.
Interaction tuning. Data. Rename it. Copy ID. Object tuning. Paste number in rename me slot. Data. Rename. Copy name. Paste in every object definition. Done. I'm really feeling it.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.